He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Psalm 23 verses 3. Hello family, a very refreshing welcome back to the Lovey Start channel. Thank you so very much for coming back. Today I am super excited to share with you this refreshing watermelon juice and a very amazing watermelon lemonade. And I just wanted to make a quick announcement that each and every Sunday throughout the month of June we'll be having our juice series. So this month is going to be extra fun for anyone who wants to make their own juices at home. Please be sure to click on the notification bell just so that you do not miss new uploads. Okay, let's get started. We surely need some watermelon for this juice. We have a whole watermelon here, and I also have some lemon, ginger, and some mint leaves. We're going to be making 2 recipes out of this, so please stay tuned. Okay. So I'm going to wash all my ingredients very well, and for the ginger you can decide to have the skin on, especially if your ginger is organic. Okay, but here I wasn't really sure of that, so I went ahead to peel off the skin. And we are done. Once I'm done washing everything very well, especially for the watermelon, I'll just go ahead and pat it dry because I did not want to create any mess on my counter. Okay, and be sure to clean as you go, because after everything you just want to sit somewhere and be cozy and be sipping your healthy juice. Okay. Just look how beautiful this watermelon is looking already. So I'm going ahead to cut them into slices because I'll be using my juicer today, and it's going to be very easy for me to handle. And even if you're using your blender, be sure to cut them into even more smaller pieces. Oh my goodness, they were so juicy. And they were so good. Also decide to take off the seeds, but really I do not mind at all. Okay, watermelon on its own is very juicy and refreshing. So just imagine making your juice out of this. It's just the perfect thing ever. It is so refreshing, fam. Go ahead and slice everything until I am done, and all that I will do next is to just go ahead and juice them using my juicer. So amazing. I do not even enjoy using juicers, but this juicer right here is very easy to work with, and I do have it on my Amazon storefront. Just in case you want to purchase it, go ahead and do so. I'll link it below in the description box. Okay, so please check it out. You can definitely also use your blender to blend everything up. Okay. After cutting and slicing all the watermelons, I'll go ahead and also cut my lemons as well, and just prep pretty much everything because we're going to use the juicer, which is going to be very fast. I know a lot of people also think having a juicer is not very necessary. Yes, I totally agree on that, but the thing is, anytime that you use your blender to make any juice, what do? We are tempted to add water to make the blending process a bit easier, and once you add water you are diluting this juice, and it might not taste as natural as this will be. You'll be triggered to add a little bit of sugar, and that is where the problem all lies, right? We do not want to have too many sugars in our drinks, because the thing is, about 99.9% of each and every fruit that we have contains its natural sugars, and you do not want to trigger it more with too many sugars. Okay, so that is why it's important to have a juicer at home. Okay, without further ado, I do have it on my Amazon storefront. It's very inexpensive. You can get one for yourself. Okay, so I went ahead to juice all the watermelon, and also went ahead to extract the ginger juice as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my bottle, and this can stay in your fridge up to a week. Very fresh. This has no preservative. It's really natural. That is why I love to make my own homemade juice. Yes, it does cost a little bit more, but it's very healthy. Okay, absolutely refreshing. Just look at that beautiful color. So good. We need to start making things very right. What we have to do here is to serve and enjoy. This is filled with so much goodness. I really hope you give this a try. We are done with our watermelon juice. Go ahead and garnish it with some mint leaf. Oh my goodness, you will love this drink. It's just heavenly. And we are done with our watermelon juice. Let's go ahead and make our watermelon lemonade. It's very easy. Go ahead and squeeze out your lemon. So I squeeze out the juices from one lemon, and I love to also garnish it, make it a bit fancy. I like to dip it in the sugar like this. That's make it really bougie. That's what you're going to get when you go to the fancy restaurant. Low cost bouginess. So once then, I'll go ahead and add my lemon juice, add my syrup to make it a little bit sweeter, and add a few drops of water as well, just to dilute it a little bit, and then goes in my watermelon juice that we just made. I'll also drop in few mint leaves for that minty kick. It is just simple. Drop in your ice and you're good to go. You are definitely going to love this. This hot summer days, just sit at your balcony, sit in your room, just chill. Let's learn to take life a bit easier. Okay, we are moving way too fast. Hold on, chill. All right, thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give this a try. Please be sure to kindly like this video, share to a few friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please be sure to subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.